comedy solo in the diva division, performing The Man.
You want me to teach you something? You want to learn something? All right. Here's a useful lesson for you. Give up! Just quit. Because in this life, you can't win. Sure, you can try. But in the end, you're just going to lose. Big time. Because the world is run by the man. What? You don't know the man? The man is everywhere. In the White House, down the hall, Miss Mullins, she's the man. And the man ruined the ozone, burned down the Amazon, and kidnapped Shamu and put her in a chlorine tank. And there used to be a way to stick it to the man. It was called rock and roll. But wait. Oh no. The man had ruined that too. With a little bitty thing called MTV. So don't waste your time trying to make anything cool or pure or awesome. Because the man's just gonna call you a little skinny, red-headed, washed-up loser and crush your soul. So do yourself a favor and just give up. Now, this is gonna test your head and your mind and your brain, too. But rock ain't about making everything perfect. Who can tell me what it's really about? Who can tell me what rock's really about? Scoring chicks? No. Well, maybe a little bit, kind of sort of. But sticking it to the man, that's what it's really about. But you can't just say it. You gotta feel it. In your blood, your guts. I'm talking about people that rock. Led Zeppelin! Don't tell me you've never gotten the lead out. Jimmy Page, Robert Plant? How about Sabbath? AC/DC? Motorhead! Oh, what are they teaching this place? I guess what I'm trying to say is, we may fall on our faces, and we may fall hard. But if we do, we will fall with dignity, with a guitar in our hands, and rock in our hearts. And in the words of ACs, we roll tonight. To the guitar bite. And for those about to rock, I salute you.